So we were walking, heading to town still, Jack in the Box, and we came along a grocery store here, Island Grocery, and they're like so cheap. I went in there and got us like, oh well, Shadoe has it. No, he doesn't. What did he put it with it? Oh, he set it right there. Got this huge bottle of water for 99 cents. And then they have like coffee. What? And so there's some birds over here. So so I'm gonna zoom in on this bird. He's running away with it. He's got one.
Yeah, so we usually try it. He likes to be on that stone there.
Oh, so he's here like every day?
I don't know. Whenever we come, we eat bread.
Yeah.
And then we throw it close to him, and when the fish come, they'll catch it.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. They're just eating
He swallows the whole thing.
the whole thing, just at one
Yeah,
gulp.
gulp.
Wow. Yeah, no kidding. I'm going to see if I can get him on video a little. Maybe he won't run away from me. Okay, so there's this bird and he's got a whole fish, and they said that he eats the whole thing, just swallows it. So let's see. Oh, there he is. Yep, he's got it in his mouth. There he goes. Zoom in so you guys can see. Oh wow. There's your breakfast, buddy. I think I'm interrupting him, so I'm going to zoom back out. Okay. Trying to zoom back out. There we go. This is like a little fish pond area by the grocery store we just found. And so now, and there's a sign that says no fishing. There's lots of fish in there, huh? Yeah. Wow. Do you guys know what kind of bird he is? Do you know what kind of bird he is? No? Oh.